Intro to programming, and we're going to cover object literals today. Object literals help organize data. We can group together all the properties for an object into just one variable so we can manage our data more easily. Objects have properties. For example, my dog has a name, a breed, and an age. And object literals allow us to store these different properties of an object into one variable. So we create object literals, but with the curly braces. So if I say create a variable called my dog, assign it curly braces, we're going to create a variable, my dog, that is of type object. Let's try that. Var my dog equals curly braces. Well, it shows us undefined because we put that in the variable, so there was nothing to return. So if we examine the variable, you can see we have the curly braces. We really don't have any properties on that yet, but we can check the type of. And you can see that it is indeed an object. Well, how can we add those properties? One way is with the dot notation. So to add properties with the dot notation, we just add a dot after the variable name here, and then whatever name we want to give the property. So if I want to store the breed of my dog on my object, I can just put the dot after the variable and say, oh, I'm going to call that property breed, and I'm going to assign that value a puggle. So now I've stored puggle into my dog breed. So now if I look at what's in my dog variable, it's showing me that I have the property breed, that's the name of the property, and then I also have the value for that breed is puggle. I could change that and say that it's a pug beagle mix. And now if I look at what's in my dog, you can see that I've updated the breed. So I can add as many properties as I want by using that dot notation. So if I say my dog dot name equals Maisie, then I have another property on my dog. So now I have breed and name, and let's change that breed back to puggle. We can access those properties by using that same dot notation. So if I wanted to write out information about my dog in an alert, I could go ahead and use that dot notation. So here I'm saying alert, take the string my dog, concatenate the name, which is Maisie, and then concatenate Isa, which is another string, and then concatenate from my dog, that variable, get the breed out, which is puggle. So let's try that. You can see my strings are in red because they're literals, and then the variables are getting concatenated from my dog, pull the name, and pull the breed. And here we go. My dog Maisie is a puggle.